Hello, everybody. Today I'll be doing Critical Thinking's Week 12 assignment. Second slide, page 246, question 1. What difference do you see between how science is often practiced and how it is usually taught? The differences between them is science is often practiced through the use of observations, hypothesis, and with the idea through experimentation a result can be found or not. Where in comparison to teaching science, most science are taught with usually the knowledge already being given a definite answer and where science has already reached a conclusion. Slide 3, page 251, exercise 1, question 1. What is hypothetical deductive reasoning? What role does the hypothetical deductive method play in science? It is a type of reasoning pattern used by scientists to find their support for their hypothesis. It uses deductive reasoning to find an observation that can be tested for an experiment. This method allows evidence to be formulated to either support or not support a hypothesis for a person. Slide 4, exercise 2, question 3. The scientific method as it is usually taught could be said to be naive. How would you critique this method given the insight you gain in this chapter? This method can imply that reasoning can be made with observations by everyone, which can lead to the people taking the method to a level where it may not be applicable in a certain situation. In truth, though, any discoveries in relation to science is a result of a person's knowledge and web of beliefs. My criticism of the method would be it should apply to certain types of beliefs and knowledges a person has, as every person has a different, I call it observation lens, where they observe anything in general, and some may not be applicable than others depending on the situation. Slide 5, question 4. Observations said to be theory laden. What do you think this means? What insights for thinking critically do you see as a consequence of this claim? It means that observations heavily reliant on theories formulated by said person. The statement being made during the observation would be heavily influenced by the webs of belief. Slide 6, page 261. Question 1. Why do you think people are drawn to a pseudoscience? People are usually drawn to a pseudoscience because of the fact that people are always drawn to things that are always unknown to them or things that they cannot explain. It leads people to tend to be drawn in these pseudosciences as a justification to try to find something to explain something unknown to them. Slide 7. What other pseudosciences can you name? Astrology, lunar effects, and acupuncture. Thank you, and this is Critical Thinking's Week 12 assignment.